Our fridge would get so disorganized that food would go bad even before we got a chance to eat it. So first, I took everything out of the fridge and placed it on the kitchen island. Second, I quickly wiped down the fridge shelves with a microfiber cloth and then Clorox. Next, I bought an 8-pack of clear containers on Amazon for $41. They are a bit shorter than the length of my fridge, but that's okay. Fourth, separate your food into categories. I found this egg holder on Amazon for $10, and it can hold 14 eggs with more eggs if you create a second layer. Then I put our fruit into clear bins. I didn't label our bins because we won't always have the same produce throughout the year. Next, I organized our dairy products like cheese, yogurt, and sour cream into 2 clear bins. To the right, I put all of our meat together and then our small vegetables. Step number 5. If you like to have fresh herbs in your fridge, place them in mason jars to keep them fresh longer. I kept the top right shelf open for bigger items and leftover Tupperwares. Step number 6. I fit our large vegetables into the 2 bottom drawers. On the right fridge door, we have butter, condiments, and milk and juice. The left fridge door is pretty narrow, so we only have condiments. Now when I open the fridge, seeing what produce we have in specific spots will help me choose healthier snacks and help me cook healthier meals.